Now, your storm track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Mild weather tonight with increased cloud cover as we head toward morning. There's that slight chance for a shower around tomorrow, mid-morning, and then again toward the late part of the day. A couple of opportunities for a little bit of rain, but by far better rain chances move in toward Thursday, Friday, and likely into Saturday. Some scattered rains, but we will cool down during that period of time into the weekend as well. Taking a look right now over Emporia, it is still clear to partly cloudy. We've been watching thin clouds, mid and high level clouds come in occasionally, but for the most part, it's still mostly clear. Currently in Topeka, mainly clear sky. Current temperature sitting at 69 degrees. The dew point at 59 with a light east wind of 7 miles per hour. It's a comfortable evening, and into the night we'll be dropping back like we have the last few nights into the low to mid 60s. Now, this morning we made it down to 60, turned around and warmed up to 92. Again, several days now in a row up over 90 degrees without high humidity, and every single one of those days the heat index has stayed lower than the air temperature. So we've been enjoying that dry warmth rather than our more typical hot humid weather. We've had hot and dry weather, and with that cooling off nicely in the evening. Upper 60s east, low to mid 70s to the west. Heat index isn't really too much of an issue this evening, but during the day we've seen, again, the lower heat index than the actual air temperature because of the lower dew points. Now that is going to change on us just a little bit. We've been watching the dew points for the last 2 or 3 days hold up in the 50s, but with a southeasterly breeze continuing through the night and then actually picking back up a little bit more so tomorrow in that 10 to 15, if not even gusting to 20 mile per hour range during the daytime. That's going to start to bring in higher levels of humidity, and you see that moving in, coming up from the south, and that'll continue to spread in throughout the course of the day tomorrow. So humidity will be rising. The chance for rain's there. Right now it's developing to our south, and we'll continue to watch these areas of showers down to our south. This disturbance is going to try to lift northward, should kind of fizzle a little bit as it arrives, but a stray shower and more cloud cover is a possibility. And then there's still a couple more systems stacking up to the west that'll be coming in, giving us our next chances for showers. Again, an isolated shower tomorrow during the day, possible. Certainly shouldn't be too widespread. A few light rain showers here and there. Drying out again in the evening hours. And then as we head into Thursday, now we're starting to look at more widespread showers and thunderstorms at times on Thursday, and then we catch some breaks, and we'll see that again off and on through Friday and Saturday as well. Tonight down to 65 degrees, southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, 84 tomorrow with southeast breeze 10 to 15. And after that, we're looking at a better rain chance. Tomorrow's rain chance 30%, then 60% for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Scattered rains with highs into the upper 70s, lows into the low 60s. Maybe a few showers early Sunday before clearing back out. And then we cool down for the next couple of days with highs back in the low 70s and overnight lows into the lower 50s. Typically, we like to say hello to our students that we go out and talk to, and in this case, a virtual visit from Spring Valley Elementary in Junction City. Didn't get a chance to get their photos on in the earlier broadcast, but want to say hello to the first graders out there, part of our Kids Learning About the Weather program, brought to you by Vaughn Pediatric Dentistry. Hopefully the teachers will be able to share the video of that for them. I'm assuming they should be in bed by this point. From Lois Pelton at Banner Lake, a nice evening sky there. And another view of a few clouds reflecting off the water there in Topeka from Webb Garling House.
And now, Matt, every time you show the kids pictures, I always see a handful with their arms in the air. So
yes.
What is the most common question you get during those visits?
Typically, it's questions about why we get tornadoes or how they start, how they form. I think we all know they happen, but that question that a lot of kids have, a lot of them were taught things like, or simplistically saying, oh, it's hot and cold air chasing each other around, and that's not what it is at all. And so we have to try to explain it to them about how it's the storms and when the winds are just right and the storm is twisting. I always use the example, if you put a finger in a glass of water and you start spinning it around, you see a little funnel. You get the storm spinning in the sky, you get a funnel. So
yeah.
All
You can also do that with the cup too. You just got to be careful.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah.